Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to the last video of our fourth week, which is content marketing tools from our one tool per day series. If you're new in this series, we are introducing a new tools every day to help your online business grow. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new update from us. And let's hop right into this. Alright guys, so for today's we have VideoScribe. Make your own whiteboard video fast. So this tool will help you to make your video in the doodle style. And as you can see here, VideoScribe is easy, quick, and inexpensive. So now let's get on with our free trial to see if this tool is really that easy and quick to create a video as it stated. But before we get on with our free trial, I have to put out there a little disclaimer as usual. So this video is not sponsored by VideoScribe, and if you're interested in this tool after watching this video, we highly recommend you to sign up for the free trial first before purchasing the tool to understand if this tool is really the one you're looking for. Alright guys, so after you have created your free account, you will have to download this software to your computer. This is available for both Windows and Mac. So be sure to download it and also to go through this little tutorial video. Now to test this software out, I have here a little post on one of our newest standout posts, and we're gonna get some text from here and use the software to animate this. And if you're looking for a profitable, lucrative affiliate marketing programs, be sure to check out our blogs and our programs if you still haven't. After you have installed the software, here is your next step. So firstly, we have some example scribes. Let's take a look to see what this software is capable of. Alright guys, so now let's hit play here. Alright, that seems enough. The video seems very interesting. Now let's try to make our own video. We're gonna go back and create our new scribe here. And here we will have our canvas, which we will be able to import image and text from to create our video on here. And as far as I know, this canvas is endless, so you can just continue to create your scribe on it. Don't afraid to run out of space. So let's explore these features first. So we have add music, we have add voiceover, and we have background options, and then we have default scribe hands. We have play button right here, and then here's where we can download or publish this video. Now here we can add new image and text and charge as our video as the element of our video. Now let's start by adding some text. Our blog's title. So here, let me paste the text in. Here we have some fonts. It's actually include quite a number of fonts, which is nice. And next to it is where you can choose the format of the fonts. Bold, we have light, so pretty basic setting here. And next is where you can add more fonts. You can also change the color of your text right here, and of course how it will be aligned as well. And that's it, done. Our text will appear on our canvas, and all we need to do, and we can simply resize it, move it around by using these arrow, by dragging our mouse right here. So I'm gonna go with this. And now, as you can see, we just added text, and on our timeline appeared this little element. So let's explore what is it all about. First, we have view element camera positions, and then we can lock this element so that later everything that we edit won't affect it. Maybe we won't accidentally push it, move it around, so things like that. And here we can explore is properties. Next to it, you can delete this element, or you just want to hide it temporarily, to just click here. Or if you want it back, just click like that. Seems pretty cool. Let's add some image. Let's see what they have. All right, so let's try to explore. We have some elements here. We have arrows, we have building, we have call out. Seems pretty interesting. Business, let's go for business. All right, let's go with this. Seems interesting. I'm gonna go with this little dude right here. Let's see what else we can edit. So we can adjust his size and, you know, just spin this element around very easily like this. Just gonna put it right here. Now let's explore this element properties. Let's see what else we can adjust. So here is our image. You can select it and replace it with another element. So that's pretty cool. And here's where you can add some settings, some filter to it. So first we have the drop shadow. We have the angle, and then we have brightness. I'm just adding for us to see the difference. And then we have saturation, we have contrast, we have colors here. Maybe I'm gonna choose some color to see how it is. And then we also have inner shadows, which we will be able to adjust as well, and bevel. Looks great. And then just hit this. Then you can see our image is already a little different. So, you know, play around with that to really edit these image so that it suits your style, it suits your brand style, and it will be able to convey the message you want to convey better. Let's explore more properties. So now we have drawing options. So here we have draw, which means that this image will be appear at draw. Let me show you. Let us play from this. Yeah, so as you can see, this little guy is appear at drawing. A little hands is drawing him in. Now we can change that. Right here, we have move in or fade in. Move angle, you can choose the move angle. Let's set this. And then move in items from off the canvas, smooth, overshot, bound, uniform. So we obviously have a lot of effects here, so just play around. Don't worry that your video will only have one style of just drawing the doodle in, because the app obviously bring in a lot of effect here. And then we have color, we have more adjustment to it, and here is where you can animate it. We have drawing for 8 seconds. I'm gonna change it to 4 seconds, and then pause for 0.5 seconds, and transitions 1 second. And that's pretty cool. Now let's see the difference. All right, so as you can see, he moved in from the direction that we set instead of being drawn in like the first one. Now we have the drawings hands. You can, you know, just pick a new hand as well, or a new pen. All right, everything looks pretty neat. And then we have the name of the person as well. So first we have just a hands, and then we have Rosie hands, we have Matt, we have Hannah, we have Mike. Pretty interesting. So I'm just gonna go with just the pen options here. Just choose one. And it will pop up a little preview for us. Pretty cool. And then I'm gonna choose this. Awesome. Save it. Let's see any different. So here is where you can play from current element, which is the element that you choose, or if you press here, it will play from the start. Okay, let's play from the start again, and I think I'll all right, so as you can see here, the first element, which is the text, the title, we didn't set the pan setting for it, so it's still that. But with this, we did change it to only pan setting, and as you can see, it's already changed here. Everything's look pretty great. All right, guys, so now let's try to add one more text, one more little paragraph, so that we can see maybe a longer video. Let's try to add one more text. So here, I would like it to move downward. I'm gonna push this up a little and add some text here, add some text again. Now let's go to text properties and make sure that you know, the time that we write the text won't be too long. Change it to only 10 seconds. Maybe that's still too long. Maybe 8 seconds. All right. Let's change some setting here as well. It seems quite small, so you can always press here, fit to screen. So you have everything more enlarged. All right, now let's add another image. I'm going to choose money this time because the text is about income stream. I'm going to search here. You can always search here if you already know exactly what you want to find. So again, these are doodle style image, guys, so that's why they look like this. I'm going to choose maybe another pen here so that, you know, we can just see a variation of stuff instead of just one. But if you create your video, obviously consistency is a good thing. So I'm going to go that, and here I'm going to adjust it, let it maybe not draw, but morph from this image. Wow, interesting. All right, so now let's see how it works. Wait for a second. Now let's see how it plays from the start. Wow, that was interesting. So that was more. Let's change to another because I don't think that's my favorite. So let's go to move in from maybe this angle, and then we can go with bounce. And let's press play from current element, see what's different. All right, everything looks pretty cool so far. Lastly, let's add a graph just to see how it works. I'm just gonna enter some random values here, guys. So they have 3 chart type, bar, pie, lines, pretty cool. I'm gonna go with bar, color, label phones. It's gonna randomly choose the phones and label location inside, outside, and border thickness. You can go right here. I'm just gonna. All right, so we have a little chart here. Everything looks great. Lastly, let's add some music, some sound for our slide to make it more engaging. Apparently, this software also offers quite a number of sounds, quite a number of music for you to choose, but you can always import your own MP3 files right here or import MP3 from a URL. Let's just try. That sounds cool. I'm going to add this in our slide. Let's try to play from the start, see how our music is placed. Alright guys, that looked amazing. And we just spent like literally a few minutes on this. We just throw everything in here and just try to explore the tools, try on different effects. So yes, the final results looked a little bit all over the place, but we also see how easy and fast it is to create this little video. It's very engaging, and if you add voiceover, which you can do right here, it will even help the video to be more engaging, more educational. And personally, I feel like this type of video, doodle drawing video, is the best to attract and retain attention from viewers. When everything is all set, now let's save our video. So you can do that by download your video or get share linked or embedded code, or you can simply download this as PT as well. So inconvenient. So you can download your video here. Here is the video format that you can move forward with. Here's the size and the frame rate and the title and the location, things like that. Everything is so easy to use. And that's conclude today's video. I hope you like this. I hope you like VideoScribe. Let us know if you would give this a trial. Doodle video can be a great way to attract viewer and retain their attention, especially with educational content. So if that is the content you aiming, be sure to check this tool out. And hey, this video also conclude our one tool per day series. Wow, what a ride. I hope you like this series. If you have any idea what should we do next, or should we add one more week to this series, what should it be? Let us know in the comments. Let us know your thought. We would love to hear from you. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're up for more bootcamps and courses from industry expert, we also have that link ready for you. For any of you looking to build a website, there's a free access to our website builder. And of course, don't forget to join our Facebook group for more updates and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future free training from us. Until next time, I'm Alice from Standout.